All right, let's dive straight into this explainer. Look, if you deal with physical products, you already know that keeping track of what you have, what you need, and what you've actually sold, well, it's the absolute heartbeat of your business, right? But for so many small businesses, that heartbeat is, frankly, all over the place. So today, we're going to tackle the operational nightmare that is small business inventory management, and better yet, we're going to reveal a completely free way out of all that chaos.
If you're a small business owner, a wholesale distributor, or maybe a warehouse manager, you know the exact specific pain of relying on manual spreadsheet counts. It always starts innocently enough with just a simple grid, right? But as your business grows, that spreadsheet literally becomes a monster. It leads to massive reconciliation headaches. You end up with sudden stockouts just because someone forgot to update a single cell, or worse, you end up over-ordering and tying up your crucial cash flow because your manual accounts were just wildly inaccurate. It's a massive operational bottleneck, and it's actively costing you lost sales and wasted time.
And to make matters worse, stepping up to dedicated commercial inventory tools can honestly feel like you're being punished just for growing. Tools like Inflow or Fishbowl are fantastic, don't get me wrong, but they are absolutely going to drain your budget with monthly subscription fees that usually hover around $50 to $200 a month. When you multiply that out over a year, you're looking at a pretty significant expense just to cover some really straightforward tracking needs. For a small business that really just wants to know what's actually sitting on the shelf, those recurring costs are incredibly hard to justify.
But what if we could completely eliminate those costs? Just zero them out? Well, enter ABC Inventory. Distributed by Almeida Systems, this software is 100% free for both personal and commercial use. And when I say free, I mean literally free. There are absolutely no licensing fees, no weird subscription tiers, and zero hidden recurring costs of any kind. It is a genuine, dedicated inventory tracking tool built specifically to give small businesses a permanent way out of spreadsheet hell, completely without adding another annoying line item to your monthly budget.
Now, the really crucial point here is the contrast in how you actually go about solving this inventory problem. On one hand, you've got these massive, broad ERP platforms like Odoo, which we've talked about before. Now, those are incredible if your business genuinely needs to tie accounting, sales, and inventory together into one giant, highly complex system. But on the other hand, you have ABC Inventory. It's built exactly for folks who just want a focused, standalone tool. It doesn't force you to totally overhaul your entire business ecosystem or take on all that ERP complexity. It just tracks your inventory, and it does it for exactly $0.
Let's take a look under the hood at the features of this free powerhouse and see exactly what this zero-cost hero is actually bringing to your operational toolkit.
Because despite being totally free, ABC Inventory seriously packs a punch. You're getting full purchase order management to track your incoming stock and delivery dates. You get sales order processing for all your outgoing customer orders. Have more than one warehouse? No problem. It handles multi-location tracking seamlessly. And if you need speed, it's got barcode support for super rapid counting and processing. It even includes bill of materials functionality, which is an absolute game changer if you assemble finished products from smaller components. Throw in multi-currency support for your international suppliers and incredibly detailed reporting for inventory valuation, and you've got a deeply comprehensive set of tools without paying a single dime.
So how do we move from manual chaos to automated control in the real world? Well, to really understand the impact here, let's look at a scenario of a small business that actually made this exact transition.
Picture a small wholesale distributor who is trying to track absolutely everything through a basic, clunky spreadsheet. Naturally, they were experiencing the exact pain points we just talked about, constant stockouts and accidental over-ordering purely because of inaccurate manual counts. Well, after downloading and adopting ABC Inventory, literally everything changed. Suddenly, their purchase orders and sales orders were automatically adjusting their stock levels in the background. By just letting the software do the heavy lifting, they completely transformed their daily operations. For the first time in their company's entire history, they finally achieved accurate real-time inventory visibility.
And building on that initial success, they unlocked one of the absolute most practical features of the whole system. By utilizing automated reorder point reporting, they could proactively restock their most popular products way before they ever actually ran out. The system literally sent them alerts telling them exactly when to reorder. This drastically reduced their lost sales from stockouts, and again, they did all of this while continuing to dodge any monthly software subscription fees. It is just a perfect example of using technology to efficiently solve a really critical business problem.
But as an honest broker, we do need to talk about some limitations to keep in mind. To be a completely objective guide in this explainer, we absolutely must pivot and look at the real-world constraints of this software. Because hey, as great as zero cost is, it's definitely not a magical fit for everyone.
When we look closely, there are some very clear areas where ABC inventory is going to require some extra effort or trade-offs on your part. First up, let's talk architecture. This is a traditional Windows desktop application. It installs locally directly onto your existing hardware, and because of that, it is not web-based. That means it completely lacks that modern, access-from-anywhere cloud convenience that we are all so used to these days. Also, if you need a multi-user setup so your whole team can work simultaneously, you can't just email them a quick web link. No, it requires a shared database setup that definitely demands some extra technical configuration. Finally, because it's a standalone desktop app, integrating it with your accounting or e-commerce platforms, that's going to require manual data exports and quite a bit of manual bridging rather than having a nice, seamless native integration.
However, the flip side of that older desktop architecture is actually data security. Because it runs locally, you maintain absolute physical control over your own data. So for businesses that really want extreme privacy and prefer to keep their inventory data locked down directly on their own computer or local network, this is actually a massive plus. But, and honestly this is a very crucial but, you have to remember that regular database backups are now entirely your responsibility. Just like any local desktop application, if your hard drive suddenly crashes and you haven't backed up recently, that data is just gone.
So let's talk about making the switch, which usually involves about a 2 to 4 week migration path. Let's say you've weighed the pros and cons, you are totally ready to ditch the spreadsheets, and you really don't mind those desktop limitations. How long does the setup actually take? Well, for most small businesses, you can usually complete a full migration in about 2 to 4 weeks.
To do it right, you'll want to follow a pretty logical 4-step process. Step 1. Use this migration as a great excuse to finally clean up and standardize your product catalog and naming conventions. Step 2. And please listen closely here, because skipping this is a massive mistake. You must conduct a highly thorough initial physical stock count. If you start with inaccurate baseline levels, you are going to completely undermine all of your tracking going forward. Step 3. Get those reorder points configured early on so you can instantly start benefiting from those proactive restocking alerts. And finally, Step 4. Just test a small batch of purchase and sales workflows. You want to validate your setup before you go rolling it out to the whole team.
Ultimately, our final verdict on this is pretty clear. If your core need right now is just getting a straightforward inventory structure in place at zero cost, and you really don't want the headache of overhauling your entire business system with a massive ERP platform, ABC Inventory is an absolutely exceptional value. It perfectly fills that critical operational gap right between error-prone basic spreadsheets and those highly expensive commercial subscription platforms. So I'm going to leave you with this final thought today. Take a hard look at your current workflow and ask yourself, are you willing to trade modern cloud convenience for total, zero-cost control over your inventory? As we wrap up Module 17 on point of sale and inventory, decide if making that specific trade-off is the exact operational breakthrough your business has been waiting for. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Be sure to subscribe to Uplatz so you don't miss out, especially as we move into learning and training next time, starting with the world's most popular free learning management system, Moodle. See you then.